Welcome to CoCloud tutorial. In many projects, we need to view cross-sections of point clouds. These can be horizontal or vertical slices. Slices help generate section views and support analysis. We will show you how to slice point clouds in CoCloud. First, enter data view mode. Select the point cloud. Click the Slice button in the toolbar and choose Horizontal. You can switch to RGB True Color mode for viewing. And select the appropriate height in the front view to generate horizontal slices. Hold Shift and scroll mouse wheel to change slice thickness. Hold Alt and scroll mouse wheel to move slice up or down. Switch to the top view to see the slice. Click Screenshot in the Properties panel to save the view. Then click Download to export the slice image. Next, click the Vertical Slice button in the top view. Select 2 points to define the slice. Switch to the front view to see the vertical slice. Use Shift and Alt keys with mouse wheel to adjust thickness and position. Click Screenshot to save the current view. Click Download to export the vertical slice image.